Hey guys, it's Michelle and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an all product braid out. So I'm going to be using all products from Alikay Naturals. And first I am starting off on freshly washed hair, and I'm going to spritz it with water just because it was getting a little bit dry. So I'm going to go ahead and first deep condition my hair. And this is their honey and sage deep conditioner, and I'm going to apply this to my entire head. So now I'm going to let that sit for about an hour, and I'm going to put a plastic bag on my hair and then cover it with a towel. And after that, I'm going to wash the deep conditioner out. And after I washed it out, my hair felt so amazing. It felt nice and soft, and it was shiny, and I just really love using this deep conditioner. I'm almost out now, but yeah, so as you can see, my hair is shiny and soft. So now I'm gonna go in and start braiding my hair, because I am gonna do a braid out, and I'm gonna start off with the lemongrass leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna spray that on my hair and begin the lock method. And I'm going to use their essential 17 oils for my oil. And then I'm going to go in with their shea butter. It's the Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer, and I'm going to apply that to my hair and then braid it and put a yellow rod at the end and do this on my entire head. So now I am done braiding my hair, and I'm just going to let that air dry overnight, and it takes my hair about a full 24 hours to finish drying. So after that is dry, I'm going to take out all of the rods and begin taking out the braids and separating them. And as you can see, my hair is left super shiny. I really love Alikay Naturals products. My hair has a lot of definition and is very bouncy and shiny. I definitely can say that these products have been a staple in my hair routine recently, and I just really love the products. So yeah, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description box for you guys if you want to check out their products. I would definitely give them a try. They have a wide variety of different products for you. So yeah, I want to thank everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Say hey, Winter. Say hey. Why you look mean? You look so mean. You sleepy. It's time for bed. I know, it's time for bed. We'll put you to bed. Put you to bed. You wanna say hello? Say hello. Hello. She's like, what am I looking at?